Teachers and students, I just want to make you aware of some upcoming construction updates. Our math hallway is about to begin demolition starting next week. Due to this, we will no longer be able to use this exit over here by the elevators. So in order to go to the modular, the weight room, or Epic, you're going to have to exit out the bottom of the two-story to get to all three of these destinations. Now, just to be clear, to come in, this doors will still be locked. So if you need to come in through these, you're going to have to come around to go to the main entrance. You can come in through room 101 area during class transition, or obviously you can walk through the rest to get to your classes. Reminder that this back entrance as of right now is still no longer available for students, but will be soon for us to go through. So just to be clear, demolition will begin in this old building soon. We will no longer be using the exit by the elevator. You'll have to go, if you want to go to the modular, the weight room, or Epic, you'll have to go out this door here through the bottom of the two-story to come around, and that these doors will be locked, and you'll have to either go through the front door here or here. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask somebody in the front office. Thanks, and I hope you have a great day.